The other one's the adrenal glands. Now where we find these is actually posterior to the stomach. So this is all the thoracic cavity here. This is the abdominal cavity here, abdominal pelvic. So if I remove the liver, right here, you'll see more of the stomach, okay? And if I remove the stomach, you get the pancreas right here, okay? So the pancreas here is both an endocrine and an exocrine gland. The exocrine function of the pancreas is like for digestive purposes. So all these little white ducts there, they're going to release digestive juices into the small intestine. The rest of the pancreas tissue has what are called the islets of Langerhans. On the microscopy slides, you'll see these little white patches. And there's cells within those white patches. You have alpha cells and beta cells. Alpha cells release a hormone called glucagon. Beta cells release insulin. And both those hormones counteract each other to keep your blood glucose at homeostasis, or set point. That's the pancreas. So just posterior to the stomach. So there's the stomach. If I remove the stomach, there's the pancreas. Okay? So, in fact, from this view, you actually can see the adrenal glands. Here they are. Right there and there. Now you can see it better if I remove the rest of the stuff. So let's move.
Are they that big?
Yeah, they're pretty big.
Huh.
This one's pretty much just scale. That's small intestine. If I remove the large intestine, here are the kidneys. In fact, they even look like kidney beans or something. Now, if you guys remember, the adrenal glands are also called the suprarenal glands. Supra means above, renal means kidney. So these little hats on the kidney, those are the adrenal glands, or suprarenal glands. Okay? And there's two main layers in the adrenal glands. Okay? So the outermost layer we're looking at here, that's called the cortex, because cortex means bark, like bark on a tree. Now the innermost layer, which we can't see unless you cut into that adrenal gland, that's called the medulla. Medulla means marrow, kind of a deeper, more marrow part of the tissue. So the cortex is the outermost layer, the medulla of the adrenal gland is deeper. And the reason why we distinguish between the two is that there's different cell types in each of those layers that release different hormones. So in the cortex, we'll have cell types that release like mineralocorticoids, release stress hormones like cortisol, as well as sex hormones like testosterone, estrogen. Okay?
Are released by the adrenal gland?
And the adrenals, yeah. That's why you can get like your testes or ovaries removed and still have those hormones.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah. Now the adrenal medulla, the deeper layer, this is sort of kind of cool side topics. I'm trying to keep it interesting. But the medulla is what releases epinephrine and norepinephrine.
Right.
For the lab practical, all you guys need to know is to identify these structures.
Yeah.
So you just want to identify, that's the thyroid, right? What's this? Pancreas. What are these? Adrenal glands. Good. How about this?
Pituitary.
Pituitary gland. Good. That one?
Pineal.
Pineal or pineal.
Infundibulum.
Infundibulum. That's it. So that.